been a while. I'm not gonna go in depth of that. We're just gonna do makeup today. As summer is approaching, I am just all about the clean girl aesthetic and kind of just that glass skin makeup. To do that, I am going to be using a lot of TIRTIR products, which is a Korean skincare and beauty brand. I have seen it all over TikTok. By the way, this video is gonna be sponsored by TIRTIR, but literally Korean skincare and makeup is the best that you could buy with your money. And it's really like not that expensive, you know? Korean skin in general is just amazing. I'm only half Korean. I feel like I only got half good skin. I don't know. I just feel like their skin is absolutely gorgeous, probably because they stay out of the sun. I do not. I say it's called TIRTIR because Korean skincare and makeup is top tier. In order to achieve any sort of flawless base makeup, especially glass skin makeup, you need to take care of your skin in order to achieve this kind of look. First, I'm going in with the TIRTIR Milk Skin Toner. You guys know the Hailey Bieber, what's it even called? Milk Glaze or something? This is literally that, but I'm sure it's like 10 times better. No offense to Rhode Skincare and Beauty. This already just gives you like a glow. It's so weird because this is a toner, but it's so moisturizing. I'm gonna go in with their collagen lifting eye cream. Love any sort of eye cream because I just feel like my under eyes are really wrinkly. It also has like this little ball point right here. It's a metal ball point. And so I really feel like this depuffs my under eye as well. So another Milk product. It linked below. But this is the TIRTIR Ceramic Milk Ampule. I don't know if this, please don't make fun of me. I don't know how to say most of these products. Just going to go in with this. It gives me like such a glow. I like to use this as a primer because my makeup just literally glide on. You cannot do a glass skin makeup look without these products. Like, already I look like I have glass skin and I don't even have any makeup on. I'm going to do my brows. I feel like with any clean girl aesthetic, it's the feathery brows, you know? It's those big, bushy, feathery brows. I'm going to use, of course, the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I almost said pomade. Clean girl makeup absolutely needs some sort of feathery brow. This right here is gonna be the star of the show. I have seen this all over TikTok, literally the most viral foundation I've seen on there. This is their Mask Fit Red Cushion foundation, and this is in the shade 24W Soft Beige. Every time I saw a video on this, I was just like, that coverage looks insane. The littlest amount goes the longest way, I'm not even kidding. This coverage is crazy, guys. What I like to do personally is I like to go around the areas of my face that I need a lot more coverage, but I'm kind of gonna keep this middle area a little bit thinner in coverage because I want my freckles to show. This is like that clean girl aesthetic. This foundation really does look like skin. You do have to use a smaller amount than the amounts I've seen on TikTok. As you can see, I need some dimension in my face. I need some bronze. So I'm just gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Mocha 3. I'm gonna take it on a brush. Now going in with the Kylie Cosmetics powder blush stick in the shade Meet Me There. This shade is just like so kind of just natural looking. It's really pretty. Like, it just looks so gorgeous. To do my concealer because I just feel like it blends out a lot nicer. My brain just like had a moment there. With a little bit of concealer now. This brush right here, seriously my favorite for concealer now, the F5 brush. I used to not put any blush on my forehead, but I feel like now it kind of gives me that natural sun-kissed look, so I don't know. I do it now. I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Not like crazy mattifying. Like, you can make it crazy mattifying if you kind of like really press it in your skin with like a powder puff or something like that. But today I'm pretty much just gonna use this little brush to really set my under eye. And then I just use like the littlest amount from the cap to barely just kind of set my face because I don't necessarily just want this sliding everywhere, but I still want like, you know, that kind of glow. I'm gonna use the NYX Buttermelt Bronzer. I picked this up recently and it just had the most beautiful kind of formula. It's so buttery, which is clearly why it's called Buttermelt. My brain's just really not working today. This is in the shade All Butted Up. I feel like just using any sort of bronzer is just the key to an effortless makeup look. I'm also going to go under my eye as well. Okay, so this is just a brown eyeliner. So much more natural looking and isn't so like, you know, harsh black, even though I do love a good black liner for like the nighttime, but this in the daytime is just like so much more soft. And this one is so easy to use. It's really creamy. This is the NYX Epic Smoke Liner in the shade Nude Haze. And I actually had one of my like Instagram and TikTok videos go viral where I used this to do a lip combo. So you can use an eyeliner for a lip liner, but you can't use a lip liner for an eyeliner, if that makes sense. Anyways, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. My dog, you know, just thought that this was one of his toys because everything is his. Nothing is mine, everything is his, everything is a toy to him. I can still use it though, which is good because I think this mascara is like 30 something dollars. This is the Lancome mascara that I swear by. Why did I just do that? Oh, that was just the equivalent to Kendall cutting the cucumber. Like, that was so bad. What did I just do? I literally went... We're moving on. We're moving on. So I randomly picked this up yesterday and I thought this would be perfect for a makeup look like this. This is the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Okay, this sprayer is not good at all because I was like, I could not feel any of it, but it smells really good. I'm gonna use a tiny bit of this Anastasia highlighter and just go right at the top. A little bit up here. I'm gonna do my lips. This is the NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Beige. It's not as brown as I want it to be. I'm gonna go in with Kylie Cosmetics Coconut 2 lip liner. I feel like for clean girl makeup, there always needs to be like a super nice gloss. And so this is the TIRTIR My Glow Honey Lip Oil. It actually like smells like honey, like actual honey. I actually really like this foundation by TIRTIR. Highly suggest this if you kind of just want that glass skin makeup because of the coverage. Coverage is crazy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this kind of simple makeup look and I will see you guys in my next video.